this fucking ugly heart.
And lastly, AI Angel says, Nick, will you do Minecraft or VR chat home reviews?
No. Nope.
All right, we're caught up.
I'll do that. Oh man, what a night! What a fucking nightmare. This is like when this is like a person like me that never listened to anyone and like didn't think about selling their house. So good for them. But the amount, I mean, this is like how much do they want for this piece of shit? $3 million in Philly. I want to know what they bought it for. I want to know. They bought it, if I had to guess, ready? They bought this in 2008 or around there. 97. Fuck, I was going to say 98. Shit!
Really?
I'm a piece of shit! I'm stupid!
I'm worthless!
Yeah, that's what my dad would have said to me. It's okay. Okay, so they bought it a long time ago, and they've been filling their old Philadelphia home with annoying collections. So they're a collector of collections, okay? Paul Klee lithograph, large, whatever, Time magazine wallpaper, who gives a fuck? This floor done by a retard. Their floor was done by an idiot. This is a collection of, what do they call those? Victorian soap card collection, maybe? I could be wrong. Those are carnival puppets. Those are big money. Those are $200 a piece. So, whatever. Those are those trade for like, there's a piece of Lalique glass on a grand piano. All garbage. I wouldn't give you $800 for the segment. Just so we know. The whack, what is that? Fucking Lena Dunham's dad's painting.
Oh.
Yeah, right? He's a father of three.
It's a bunch of tasteless trash.
He starts doing art. Yeah, it's tasteless trash. Look at this fucking goofy light sculpture. You fool. You fucking fool. And this furniture, no rug, because you didn't want to cover up the floor, right? Why? Look at this floor. It's too loud. It's trashy. Yeah, I said it. It's fucking disgusting. I know what you did here. I can do that. I literally know how to do that flooring, and I wouldn't do that because that's embarrassing. That's fucking gauche, my friend. It's $2.5 million? Blow me. No. You don't get silver painting on the columns? Silver on the columns? Come on, girls. Where are my girls out on this? Come on, girls. This is goofy. Green on the ceiling, grass cloth wallpaper. When you're in this room, it looks nice. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
You would be like, whoa. But like all this like 2004, like what do they call it? Not Autorama. There was like I send it to Bic all the time.
Yeah.
Bic knows the design language in 2004 that we always talk about. Linea Aspara, maybe. Maybe you're wrong. I don't know. But like this kind of stuff, it's not cool. I don't think it's going to come back. It's just not good enough. You know, absolute. Actually, I've had paintings by this guy before. I would cut one up. I'm not fucking with you. I have one of these in a thing right over there. In fact, hold on. Not even fucking with me.
Round two.
Hold on.
Fight!
Yeah, hold on.
You hate it that much, don't you?
Hold on. I might have one. I'm not kidding. I think I have one.
Guys.
Fuck. Fuck. Shit, I sold it. Never mind.
Damn.
I've had
I was
this
excited.
paint. Yeah, they're worth nothing. Yeah, they're worth trash. They're worth $0. Okay, moving on. Obviously, a kitchen that was done in like 1998. Look at it. Actually, this was done in 1994. Look at this. Look at this. Look, all nothing with the apple. And the there's so much nice. Oh, the kiwi. Like even the selection of placement. Well, you know, it's probably a shrink's house. Eero Saarinen tulip table, Eero Saarinen tulip chairs, a 6-set they bought at a flea market for $275 probably. Who knows? Obviously a retarded sconce, a fucking whack-ass Versace knockoff mirror. Cool. Pervert art. Which is fun. I'm not going to lie to you. I like the goofy shit but
You always find it in the bathroom.
You do it in the guest bath. That's fun.
Yeah.
A Turkish prayer rug, modern 1970s. I have one right over there. I'll sell it to you cheap. I don't want a lot of money for it. They'll tell you it's worth $800. I'll tell you it's worth not that much. I'll tell you it's worth like that's worth $350. But if you ever said $350 to them in their house for that, they'd fucking throw me out. Obviously, too much going on here. But I do like a collector's mind. The Eileen gray table, that's an adjustable table, and the Wassily chairs, very fine. Nice. I actually like, I don't mind the bathroom, the bedroom. I don't mind the bathroom either. Eastlake top, this is a top to a cabinet. They took it off, and then they did this round cut granite with a double faucet. To put the faucets on the wall, guys, just a heads up, this is a real good tip. I want to stay in the focus of putting faucets on the wall. Think about that. The plumbing has to go through the wall, up the wall, out of the wall. Knobs. Inside there's a mixing valve. So a lot of forethought goes into putting the faucets on the wall. I just want you to be ahead of that. I've learned my own lesson on that. Very hard to do. Super nice piece. This piece, I like that. Obviously not with this pattern. It looks like a fucking seizure. So, yeah, right. It's like, yeah. Oh. Knockoff Plycraft Eames lounger. And then a really, actually nice modern Turkish rug. And the reason why we know it's modern is because back in the day, they didn't have the Saved by the Bell colors, even though I don't mind them. But the rag rolling, no, it's not rag rolling, it's wallpaper. I mean, the house is nice. It's not $3 million, though. It's less. It's just less. So I'm not paying you for your art collection. You can get it all out of there. I'll bet you there, if I had to guess, they're probably $1.25 million light, heavy. It's probably $2.25 million. You could buy it, though.